Hello guys, so for today's video, it is all about our onboard elevator. Our elevator is stuck on our upper deck and whatever button you push, it's not responding.
So we have another trouble with our onboard elevator, and so before we will do any kind of job or we will touch onto this one, we need to do a permit to work and put all those safety signs for our own safety. And if you will go on top of the car, make sure to have a coordination on the bridge and you have one guy on standby. So let's go and see and try if we can fix this Hyundai elevator again. So come and join me in this new learning.
So after initial investigation, I decided to put all the safety signs first from our third twin deck all the way to our bridge. That's why it was so tiring to use the staircase. After that, I proceeded to the elevator room, which is located on the sixth deck. This is how high our accommodation. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open the control panel and see what will be the alarm inside the controller. And upon opening our control panel, then this is what I have found out. There is no alarm onto our controller, and it is only giving these indications, which is OP4, which means the sliding door is open on the 4 floor, which is 4 means the upper deck, and I put the system on manual operation. And after that, I check all the relays and contactors indications. Once you put the controller under manual operation, our elevator will give this indication of out of service. This will also reset all the existing command which we pressed on all the buttons on the floor or inside the cars. And after that, I have decided if we can do a magic reset onto our system, because sometimes you only have to do a reset onto our system. And after doing this one, I put the system in automatic operation again and see if it will respond. But all the indications for the relays remains the same as well as to the contactors. So I have decided to consult the manual. And I have focused onto the first relay, which is the X41. And this X41 is like a twin relay to the X40. This will be activated once all the landing door limit switches will be satisfied. This includes our gate switch and limit switches. So I was wondering, why is it that X40 is deactivated and the X41 is activated even if the door or the sliding door is in open position. It should be deactivated since all these safety switch should be in open position, which will break our circuit, hence will give the X41 a deactivated symbol. And after that, I proceeded again to the upper deck and check all these interlock switches, the magnetic switch and the door lock switch, as well as the gate switch. And everything is in good place, except that I was thinking maybe if there is a problem with this limit switch onto the cam, which might be giving our X41 to activate, but I tried to move them and it's not moving since it is actually activated by the cam. The landing floor is also matching our car, so I have decided to go back to the control system and check the wirings and tighten everything. And when I moved the X41 relay, I saw the X relay to blink, and I removed the locking system of this relay and it was deactivated after that. And I was thinking maybe there was a problem onto this relay. So I tried to move it and shake it to see if that blink will again appear or our X41 will again activated. So no matter how I tried to move it, it didn't happen again. So I tried to check if I have the X41 relays, but unfortunately I do not have. So I just interchange it with other relays on board, and the X41 did not activate again. So I put the system in auto operation and see how it will respond. After that, I tested the elevator and called it on the sixth deck, and this is what happened. The elevator started moving, and then the system satisfied all the interlocks. So I am not yet satisfied with that one and tried to call all the buttons. Please do not go inside the elevator car unless you tried it for several times. You might get stuck, and the last thing you know, the crew will try to save you. For one last try, I put again the system in manual operation and tried moving all the relays just to see and check if it will happen again, but that didn't happen. And so I tried the elevator to go to all the decks and remove all the safety signs as this is good to go. So it means our system is back to normal operation. I also took the chance of doing my monthly inspection in this onboard elevator.
Well, Chief, I'm testing the phone inside the elevator. All right, loud and clear. Thank you. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and this is your Lucky Jake, and see you.